Hello everyone, we are back with another good question. Let's take a quick look at our question. 3 plus 3 equals 6. Exponent 3 to the power of 2 equals 3 times 3. 3 times 3 equals 9. Now multiply 6 times 9 equals 54. If you solve it this way, you made a mistake because we didn't pay attention to order of operation. We code the order operation as PEMDAS. P stands for parentheses, A stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, S stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. We have one more feature here. There is no order multiplication and division. Operation are performed from left to right. Similarly, there is no order addition and subtraction. Operation are performed from left to right. Now, let's apply this rule to our equation. First, exponent. 3 to the power of 2 equals 3 times 3. 3 times 3 equals 9. Multiply 3 plus 3. Now, multiply 3 times 9 equals 27. Finally, addition 3 plus 27 equals 30. We solved the solution in detail. I hope you understand. We've reached the end of our video. Solve the question on the screen. Write your answer in the comments section. Let's see who gets the correct answer. You can subscribe for new videos by clicking the logo on the screen. You can also check out my other videos in the sections on the sidebar. See you in the next video.